Hello students, welcome back. In this video lecture, we will be discussing the question number 158 of NEET 2018 question paper. The question reads, all of the following are part of an operon except, and the four options given are an enhancer, structural genes, an operator, a promoter. Right, these are the four options given. Now let's first discuss what do you mean by an operon. What is an operon? Operon is a set of genes together responsible for turning on or off a particular gene or DNA. Right? Now, what do you mean by this? I'll explain you this with a simple example. In every cell, you will be having the whole information, right? The information regarding each and everything, each and every protein, right? So, in our body, does every protein is produced 24/7? No, right? The protein is only produced when there is a need for a protein, right? When that particular protein is needed, then only the protein is produced, right? When the protein is not required, the protein is not produced, right? So what happens is when a particular protein is not required, there will be a gene, certain set of genes, right, that will be coding for a protein. Say the protein is X, right? Now for example, for instance, now you don't require this X protein, right? Not required. So what do? You have to turn off these genes that are coding for X, right? You have to turn off the genes that are coding for X because X is not required at the moment, right? So that turning on and off of genes, that turning on and off of a gene is controlled by a operon. Okay, is controlled by a operon. There is a wrong concept, students, given in many books, and many teachers also teach this, that the operon is only present in prokaryotes. Okay, it is not at all true. Okay, there are some eukaryotic cells where the operon was identified. Okay, where the operon was identified, operon can also be present in eukaryotic cells. Okay, operon is both present in prokaryotic and eukaryotic cells. Though in prokaryotic cells it is more prevalent. Okay, and we know about the operon concept in prokaryotic cells in a detailed manner. Okay, because scientists have studied the operon concept in prokaryotes in a very detailed manner, right? Just because we don't know something, we can't say that doesn't exist. Yes or no? So the operon concept is also present in eukaryotes as well. Now let's discuss the options. Before discussing the options, I'll just tell you a part of operon. Operon consists of controller genes, and operons also consist of structural genes. Okay, when you talk of operon, we say that operon is a set of genes, right? Set of genes. The function of operon is to turn it on and off the genes according to the requirement. Now, in operon, you have two types of genes. This is one gene. For example, this is one set of genes, and here you have the second set of genes. Okay. So, it does not mean that all of the genes code for in proteins. Okay. These proteins, these genes are known as structural genes. Okay, what do you mean by structural genes? Structural genes will be having the actual information, and the controller genes control the structural genes, right? Structural genes, it depends on the controller gene, how the controller gene work, right? It depends on the working of the control genes whether these genes will be expressed or not. Okay, if there is requirement of the protein, these genes will expressed and the genes will be turned on, right? And if there is no requirement of the protein, these genes will be turned off, right? So it depends on the controller genes. Okay, and the controller genes are of two types: operator and promoter, right? So clearly our answer is enhancer, right? Enhancer is not the part of a operon. Generally we study enhancer under controller genes. Okay, just because you want to understand the operon concept in detail, you have to you can understand the operon concept easily. We study the enhancer under the operon concept. Okay, but practically the enhancer is not the part of a operon, right? The enhancer doesn't come under the controller genes. Okay, so our option is option A. The structural genes come under the operon concept that has the actual information, and the promoter and the operator are a part of controller genes. So our option is option number 1. Though we study the enhancer genes under the operon concept, practically it doesn't come under the operon concept. Thank you.